So check out this really cool folding wireless keyboard that I have got here that the company sent to me to try out. So thank you to them for sending this out to me. So you can see this is a really nice and small keyboard. It's just about the size of my phone here. So you see how small and compact that is, and really great for travel, taking it with you on the go. If you don't like to type on your phone like me, it's really difficult for me to type a lot, then having a keyboard is really, really nice, having pretty much a full-size keyboard there. So yeah, you can pair it up via Bluetooth right here. Just press the connect button, turn it on. It can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously, so that is super cool. And then you can set it to iOS, Android, or Windows OS so that the buttons will work for specific OSs there. So I have it set to Android right now since I have an Android phone. And then once you do that, you can use some of these function buttons. So if you want to search, you can hit the search button up here. Oops, functional search. And you can see it brings up the search. Hit the home button. You can play music like that. Go back, next, pause. That is really cool. Okay, and then of course if you want to type, you can do that as well. So I have my note app here. So you just start typing just like a regular keyboard. Then check it out, etc. So yeah, it just works like any keyboard. No lag. So really nice feel to this keyboard as well. Has all the buttons you need. And again, super compact. You just charge it up right here. Really easy to slip into your backpack, take with you when you travel, use on the airplane, meetings at work, at the coffee shop, whatever you need. So yeah, if you are looking for a really nice portable keyboard, works with the phones, tablets, laptops, whatever, then definitely check this one out.